Hi everybody, I'm Tom Stubbs. I'm the Director of Corporate Communications at Star Foods. Thanks very much for being with us this afternoon for a chat with Philip Nell, our CEO, and a passionate advocate of the finer things in life, as in cookies and cakes. Thanks very much for being here. I appreciate you all making it on such a short notice. And now, over to Mr. Nell.
Thanks, Tom. Let me first start with a statement on why we're present here, and then I'll take your questions. Recently, there have been media reports on the allegations made by the CTFS about how we bakers do not reveal information about the ingredients used in our products.
Hi, Sandra from The Reporter. Sorry for interrupting. I'm just wondering, what is CTFS, and what is its role?
I'll take that one. CTFS stands for Center for Toxic Food and Substances. It's a non-governmental organization that tests food and food-derived substances for toxicity, contamination, and so forth, either independently or on government's request.
Thank you, Mr. Stubbs.
Thanks, Tom. As I was saying, CTFS opines that we were misusing public trust. I found this label most disturbing, and hence I thought I should comment on the statement. While I appreciate CTFS for being a watchdog for public health, I find their comments on us unfair and more importantly, baseless. We are committed to providing consumers with safe and tasty products, and we wouldn't dream of adding any ingredient that would harm them. Yes, Miss?
Kate from Morning News. Mr. Nell, CTFS talks about artificial vanillin and how it can cause reactions in people who are sensitive to balsam of Peru. Does your product contain artificial vanillin? And if so, why are you not putting that on the label?
Well, Kate, I think some information about artificial vanillin will help your readers here. Vanillin is there in natural vanilla also. The chemical structures of artificial and natural vanillin are the same. What the tag artificial signifies is that it was created in a lab and not occurring naturally. That's all. And artificial vanillin is included in the generally regarded as safe list of the FDA, which means that the FDA assures that it's not harmful to public health. Artificial vanillin is often used in baked goods because it's more concentrated than vanillin from natural vanilla. Thus, we can provide the same flavor in a more cost-effective manner. As for our products, sure they have artificial vanillin in them. You know, I have 2 kids, and they love Enchente cookies. Do you think I'd let them eat cookies if there were anything dangerous in them?
Mr. Nell, regardless of what you say, artificial vanillin does cause allergic reactions. Take the allergy attacks in Boston, for example. What is wrong with disbanding such substances?
About the allergy attacks, Kate, that was unfortunate, and I sympathize with the victims. However, to conclude that artificial vanillin should be banned would be ill-advised. Research has shown that sensitivity toward artificial vanillin would also mean sensitivity to natural vanilla and a host of other spices like cinnamon, cloves, allspice, ginger, etc. The allergy attacks were an unfortunate byproduct of undiagnosed balsam of Peru allergy. This could be caused by any product containing spices, not necessarily only cookies. Do you think all these spices should be banned? Do you also know that this allergy is extremely rare? The rate of occurrence is around 0.02% of the world's population.
Mr. Nell, you did not answer my second question. Then, why not just put the ingredients on the label?
To answer your question, that's because the government doesn't require us to put the names of flavoring agents and preservatives on the labels as long as they're permitted ones. More because scientific names tend to confuse consumers. For example, our famous balsam of Peru is commonly known by different names: black balsam, China oil, Honduras balsam, etc. If we put the scientific name Myroxylon pyreri oli resin on the label, you would not recognize it. You'd also think I'm dumping a bunch of chemicals in it. We decided to monitor the situation for now. If required, in the future, we will list the names of the flavoring agents on our products.
That's it for now, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks very much for coming.